Yeah, little fire in the motherfucking bitch. Yeah, you red. Bitch. Shotgun. Shotgun. Blow on my head, little shotgun. Blow on my head, little shotgun. Blow it off. Like you ever did before. Little shotgun. Blow up my head, little shotgun. Money in a bitch, but the hell's in a bitch. My car's in the phone, and the bitch could blow your ass off. Bitch, I don't cut her off. I'm gonna blow her head off. Rather than a cook, bitch, I ain't fucking off. God don't need shit because niggas need it all. Little shotgun, blow my head off. Little shotgun ain't shit for my body in a cut, bitch. You need nigga off. Go off the hills, got me a little box, then I pop a little gun, then I pop it yours. Little shotgun ain't shit anymore. Little shotgun blow up my fucking head off. Bitch nigga learn something, then I blow my head off. With little shotgun. Bitch, I ain't done it in a little bit, and I don't even need it all. Cause I don't shoot it off. I'm gonna bust my head off in a perk, bitch, God needs to run. God needs to run. Motherfucker need to run. Get the fuck away from me, cause I have a little shotgun in my hands. I might blow up my own head off. Motherfuckers don't understand, cause I really need to learn. That bitch need to learn, because I need to learn. Bitch, stay a better way for me, cause the bitch need to learn. I got a shotgun in my head, little shotgun need a business, God needs to learn. Bad attitude, bitches yell in the air, for the bitch got a perk in the ass. Bitches in the ass. I just blast off when I cut a bitch off, then a little shotgun, I'm gonna blow myself in the head. God needs to fucking learn, and the perk nigga needs to learn. You need to learn. All the fucking bitches need to learn, bitch, gotta hang on niggas that are